So the Shimshin cucumber plant over here has started to wilt. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove that. So, and it's got about maybe 2 cucumbers on there. But I'm gonna get rid of the plant and see what I'll do next. See how limp this is? And it's not really like a water thing because I've gave them this entire bed plenty of water, so there's something else. So let's get rid of this. Alright, so I've never done this before, but I cut some of the pieces off the vine and then I'm just gonna pull the main root up and then I'll just take off the smaller ones. Let's see. I don't know if it's in there or not, but I'm just gonna get rid of it. And then the rest of these here will just come off. I don't want to hurt the cherry tomato. So now that that's gone, I have a little freeness there. And this can breathe, which is a cherry tomato. I think it's the Sun Gold. Got some fruit on there. I'm gonna put 2 green bean seeds in here, but I'm also going to put the sugar pie pumpkin seed. I know I'm in a time crunch to get these going, but I want to see what happens planting one of these. I'll put it right here. So in opening, well, taking out some seeds out of here, one of the seeds actually came out the shell. So this is the seed in the shell, and this is the seed out of the shell. I'm gonna plant both of these and we'll see which one germinates faster. I mean, I know it's gonna be this one, right? But let's put these in there and then we'll see what happens. This one here. All right, so those are in. And then over here, I think, and then over here I'm gonna put some green beans. I'm gonna go ahead and put some of these Kalima beans over here. Here. So over here where the squash and zucchini are growing, I'm gonna put some of these green beans here, and these are the Kalima beans. And it's a green bean, and it's a bush habit, so it doesn't have to have any kind of support. But these look really good, so I got extra space here, so I might as well put some of these over there. So that's what I'm gonna do. Water these in. This is really good. So here are those peppers from the pepper plant that I got from Etsy, and they're doing really good. There's a lot of peppers on here. I think I'm going to pick one of these and try it and just see what kind of pepper it is, because I don't know what it is, because it was a mystery pepper. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and take this one and try it and see what kind of pepper it is. So let's see if I can get it. There we go. There we go. So all right, so I washed this pepper, and again, these are the mystery pepper plants that I got from Etsy. So let's taste it, and this is what this looks like. So let's see. So it's not spicy. It's actually a sweet pepper. It tastes like a pepperoncini. And in here, some of the seeds right here, they turn brown. But a lot of those seeds right here are still good. But all in all, it's a pretty good pepper. Hey YouTube, so today we're gonna look at these pole beans over here. I should have harvested them a long time ago, but here's how they're looking right now. All right, so these are the pole beans, and they're really tall, and they've got a lot of beans on them. And one thing I learned about them is that you can use the beans as dry beans if you let them sit out long enough. And these, they're pretty big, so let me show you. So these here, pretty fat. I'm gonna take this one. And these are from Burpee. And I got these from Amazon, but that's the name of these beans here. And this is what they're looking like. So here's 3 of them so far, and they're really plump. And I'm sure there are some other beans to harvest, and I see them right here. Ooh. And these are the Roma bush. Some of these look like they're drying out. So some of these have started to dry out on me, which is fine. They just give you seeds for next year. But these here, let me show you. These have turned yellow. These here have turned yellow, and they're just drying out. So these will be seeds that I can use whenever. Or maybe not. This one is, ooh. Now this one is soft. Let's see. Ooh. But I think, oh yeah, see, those are seeds. And I can use these next time I want to plant some more green beans. So let's do this one. And these have got to be I think the contender bean, I think. There we go. So over here in this bed are are the lima beans. And I don't know. Well, first, I know the seeds from both places that I got them from are really good and credible. That I know first off. But I think it's been my error in how these are growing. This is what I got so far. And I don't know if they're supposed to look like this. So what I'm going to do is some of these I'm going to pull up and I'm just going to replace with some green beans. Especially this one over here. This one here is down on the ground, so this one isn't doing anything. So these I'm just gonna pull. And maybe because the big zucchini plants over here, I kind of shading it out or whatever, but these don't look so hot. So I'm just gonna replace some of these with some green beans that I know will grow. So and then look at this one over here. This one here, it looks cooked. So I'm just gonna get rid of some of these and replace them. Be right back. So I removed some of them out of here, and I'm gonna add some of these purple teepee beans from Baker Creek. And it says here they only take 60 days. So I'm gonna put a handful in here, and I'm gonna put something else over there in the corner. But over here will be these purple teepee beans. And I did keep majority of these lima bean plants in here, just that some of them, they don't look all that promising right now. So also in here is, this is cinnamon basil, and it's got a really good smell to it. It smells like the big red cinnamon gum, if you remember that, to me. But it smells really good. Over here is a pepper plant that's doing really good. And I think this is a jalapeno. I don't know. It's either a jalapeno or a sweet pepper. I started it from seed and forgot what I planted, so. But it's looking really good though. So we'll see. Over here in the jungle of zucchini and squash, there is a lot of little zucchini and squash coming on, which is really good and I'm excited about. All right, a tomato update. These are the honeycomb tomatoes. And then you've got the sun gold, and there's some over there that's actually turning the right color. So those are looking good. Here is a pair of tomatoes here. I believe these are the pineapple ones, but those are looking good also. Had a cucumber plant on this side, and it's putting on some cucumbers. couple over there. And then look at that cluster. Don't those look good? Especially these here. I might have to do a taste test. I don't know. But those are looking really good. There's a tomato. There's a tomato there. And some more to come. Got another little pear here. And there's a nice big one right there. Tomatoes here are looking really good, and I think I might have to just try one. This here, let's see. All right, so here we go. Garden fresh. I'm gonna eat the other one too. So this one, number 2. It almost has like a peach note to it. Those are really good. A 10. All right, so this is the little harvest that I have today. We've got the onion tops that I cut. And then in here, we've got the Roma bush beans. And then over here are the pole beans from Burpee. And then here are some bean seeds that I harvested from some of the green beans that I planted. They dried out and I took the seeds out. So I can't wait to see if these will produce next season. Well, in the seasons to come. But that's what I got. All right, another day in the books. And thanks for always watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell to be notified. And until the next video, peace.